Once, a boy named Tico woke up with a funny hiccup that sounded like a loud meow. His family was puzzled, trying home remedies to stop the strange meow from his little mouth. First, they tried sipping water, but it only made Tico's meow louder, causing more laughter. Then, Tico's sister suggested they all laugh together, thinking that it might help him feel better. As they began to chuckle, Tico's room filled with joy, and the meow turned into shared giggles. Soon the whole family joined in, rolling on the floor with joy at Tico's funny hiccup sound. After several minutes of fun, Tico finally stopped hiccuping, and the laughter echoed warmly. The lesson learned that day was that laughter together helps to overcome any embarrassing moment.